So hey, what's up you guys? So I'm super duper excited today because I got two things to unbox. So first, I got a mouse. Second thing, I got a mouse. So I got two mouse to unbox today. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to open this too. So let's freaking do it. So the reason why I got a lot of mouse and I bought this too is I play games a lot and I often change my settings, so sometimes I choose different mouse. I have my current mouse, but it's kind of old. The LED right here is actually broken. Like it's supposed to be like in a different order, but now it's just like broken, but it still works. I'm still using it. So I got a first mouse, which is the G102, and it's by Logitech. It's a popular gaming company, I guess. So I'm gonna open it first. So out of the box, we have the mouse. What is this? Oh, and I believe it's the sticker, a Logitech sticker. Well, I somehow broke it. There's nothing inside. There's nothing left inside. So out of the box, we just got the mouse and the sticker, and so this is what the mouse looks like. And there is I believe it's a card, but it's okay. They give you like how to use the mouse, I guess. What's the quality of the mouse is, and this one is the Fantac X5S. Sounds like an iPhone 5S. There's a lot of things here, which I'm not sure like the real details of it, but you can open. Oh, okay. You need to open from the top. So up here, you can open it. It comes out. So this is the box right here. Oh, we got a mouse. Oh, that's how simple it is. This is the mouse. Compared to this, I'm not sure which one looks good. I think I'm gonna plug it in and then check. So after unboxing both, this is what it looked like. So this is the Logitech 102, and the color looks very nice, but it seems like it looks a bit small to me. Like I have a really big hand, to be honest. And this is the X5S Pacton. It's actually called the Fantac. Okay, so this one, so the color goes like to this mouse scroll, I guess, and yeah. So testing both of the mouse, I feel that this Logitech mouse is a bit small for me, and like it's not the best grip for me because I have a large hand and I have like a weird grip. I don't really prefer this, but I still like can use it. So yeah, this one is a lot better. I can tell already. Like the grip fits me. Like I always like grip my thumbs on the side, but the quality is a lot lesser than the Logitech mouse, but I still like it. So after testing them, I think I prefer to use the Fantac mouse for like gaming or other things. But like this one is just like a casual things, like I don't know, just search things on the internet, watching YouTube. Because this one has like a better quality, which is like I feel better on my hand. So I prefer, I guess, to use this one. So yeah, the Logitech lose and the Fantac win. What do you guys think? The Logitech wins or the Fantac win? I'm not sure. Like both of this mouse is good. Like my current mouse, I don't really know what it's called. This mouse is still great, still use it. But out of this two, I'm not sure. And this is the 89 ringgit and this is the 59 ringgit. So I don't know which one you guys prefer. So leave it in a comment down below. So I guess that's it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And I know it's very simple and short, but I hope that somehow you guys got influenced by me to buy this thing. So yeah, see you guys later.